What's going on? Keep making these today. Got a slow couple days, so anyways, this is Festool toolbox. This is my sort of sanding and scraping, great for paint prep. It's useful as well for like caulking, recaulking, some light grout stuff, a little bit of cleaning, but really I'd say it's driven by prep for paint and some light drywall stuff. That said, I have another large drywall kit that I'll show you another time, but again, this is really driven by painting, sanding, hand sanding. So yeah, so anyways, it's a Festool toolbox. One thing you'll notice is I have the little arrows on the top that points you to the notch for locking it into other sustainers. So I'm gonna open it up. So I'll show you what I got. Inside's pretty simple. Got a couple kinds of tape, some gloves. See, I got special Scotch blue for wood floors, frog tape green, frog tape yellow, some duct tape. To be honest, most of my tapes are somewhere else, but it's nice to have a couple of options in this kit. I got 3 flexible scrapers, wire brush, scraper, great for scraping edges and whatnot. It also has a series of attachments, and then large blade scraper. I got extra blades in another kit, but I don't use this a ton, to be honest, but it's useful for certain jobs. Got this little thing, I have no idea what it is. So let's close that up. On the top we got our little container set up. So microfiber cloth, rag, some little rubber spatula things. I've never really used them, but I'm sure they'll come in handy. Larger bin has dual-sided sponge. I have a whole cleaning setup, but this is useful to have once in a while. Grout scraper, actually really useful. Little sharp point. Door stop. Small scrubber, which I use a ton. And then a little grout puller brush, but useful for other weird scraping needs. So. And then on the other side we have 5-in-1, gets used all the time, duster. In this stack we have a couple tack cloth, a couple different grits of non-synthetic steel wool, a couple Festool sanding pads. This is 280, but it's more like 120 or 150, and then this is much more true to grit. And then we have a couple small custom ones that I've just cut up. Yeah, little guy, all really useful. And then I got a bunch of other blocks, some Festool stuff, different grits, different shapes, some 36, and then a couple older 3M blocks. I honestly don't do a ton of hand sanding, just because I spend so much time with the electric Festool sanders, but nevertheless really useful. That's it.